Welcome back, Barça fans. We're back at Camp Nou, where history is taking shape once again. After yesterday's rain, work is moving full speed, and the progress is visible everywhere. From the Gol Norte parking ramp to the upper levels, everything is shaping up perfectly. Do join us for Barça as we explore today's latest construction highlights in detail. One of today's main highlights is the concreting of the parking ramp in the Gol Norte corner. After weeks of preparation, rebar placement and formwork are complete, and the concrete pump has been operating throughout the day. By mid-afternoon, almost the entire ramp was fully concreted. Significant progress is visible at higher levels, particularly around level 80. Support structures and bases for the future compression ring are clearly identifiable. New steel support towers and platforms are being assembled near the lateral area. These elements will temporarily support the compression ring beams during installation. Multiple sections are already in place, suggesting the next construction phase is approaching quickly. Installation of prefabricated seating continues at a strong rhythm. The third tier is advancing rapidly across the lateral and parts of Gol Sud. Walls of the vomitories in the grandstand area are nearly complete. The VIP ring shows clear advancement, with several zones already enclosed. New pallets of glass panels have arrived and are being prepared to close remaining aluminum frame openings. Continuous delivery of ceramic llamas is underway. Multiple pallets have been unloaded to ensure sufficient stock for the next phase, when specialized cranes will install the facade around the stadium. The project is transitioning into a new structural phase. With parking ramps nearing completion, compression ring supports taking shape, and the third tier accelerating, the stadium's final form is becoming visible. The stadium's multi-level parking system continues to take shape, with ramps connecting underground levels. We are now reaching the lower interior level, where the project's scale becomes evident. The tunnel along Travessera de la Cor remains a key logistical access. Some current entrances will be closed and replaced by folding stands, as shown in official renders. The third tier continues advancing steadily, with major work also visible in the second ring. The scale of these structures highlights the stadium's future impact. The facade continues to be covered with white ceramic llamas, especially along the lateral side. Installation speed is increasing, with clear differences between painted and unpainted sections. Work includes alignment, anchoring, and precise measurements. Glass installation has begun in parts of the VIP ring. New glass panels are arriving and being staged for crane lifting to close installed aluminum profiles. Across the grandstand, new materials continue to arrive, including glass panels and seating elements. Some sections were temporarily removed for structural adjustments. If you enjoyed this detailed update, don't forget to like the video and share it with fellow fans. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new construction update.